Hello everyone, this is Nick Rondinelli, CEO of Heart to Heart First Aid and CPR Services. This video tutorial is to show you how to create your online Red Cross account and how to access your online course. Once you register for a blended learning course, you will receive an email from the Red Cross allowing you access to the online portion about 2 weeks before the in-class date. First, open the email and click on Invitation Link. It will then take you to the Red Cross website where it will ask you to create an account. Click on Sign Up Now and enter your email address. We strongly recommend not signing in with a social media account. It is best to use your individual email address. You will then create a password. The password needs to be between 8 to 16 characters, and at least one character has to be an uppercase letter, one digit from 0 to 9, and at least one symbol such as hashtag or $. Enter your password again and click on Create. You will then be directed to your account. Next, fill in all the required fields with your personal information. You can also amend or edit your name if there are any spelling mistakes. Once you have done this, you now officially have your very own Red Cross account. Okay, now to access your online course, click on My Profile and select My Online Courses from the drop-down menu. You'll be taken to the e-learning page. You can now activate and begin your online training. When you complete the online learning, you will need to print, take a photo, or screenshot the electronic certificate. The instructor will need to see this as proof on your scheduled in-class date.